लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स। क्या है ये एक्चुअली? लाइक बर्थ, ग्रोइंग अप, गेटिंग ओल्ड, डेथ। ये अगर मैं एक के बाद एक वर्ड को पढ़ूं तो ये एक स्टोरी देता है मुझे। बर्थ, जन्म हुआ, ग्रोइंग, अब वो ग्रो कर रहा है, ग्रो होने के बाद अगेन गेटिंग ओल्ड, थर्ड पोजीशन, एंड देन डेथ। So randomly I'll give you few words. You need to find a sequence in those words. So type one question on your screen. What do you think? Which option fits in so that we get a meaningful arrangement of words? विंटर में स्नो मिलेगा, बसंत में फ्लावर, एंड देन ई सी, विंटर एंड स्नो, दैट मीन ई एंड सी शुड गो टुगेदर आई गेस। ई सी टुगेदर नहीं है, ई और सी बहुत दूर दूर है, ई सी नहीं है, यहाँ ई सी है। लेट मी चेक नंबर 4 फर्स्ट। स्टोरी कैन बी कि फर्स्ट कम्स विंटर, देन स्नो फॉल्स, देन कम बसंत, flowers blooms in basant and we get fragrance of flowers. Isn't it a story in it? Beautiful story. Now, why we are here? These 5 words can be flashed randomly on your screen and they may ask you to punch in the order. They might not give you options. They may just ask you to punch in the order. यहाँ पर लिखा है A, B, C, D, E. When we are punching the order, we need to make sure that we are punching E first, then C, then A, then D, and then B. And I will call it 4 out of 5 difficulty level question if options are not given and you need to punch in. और many a time in these kind of interactive screen, back जाने का जो एरो की होता है ना, वो नहीं दिया होता है। और अगर बैक जाने का एरो की नहीं है तो आप ध्यान रखना, once you have punched in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in whatever sequence, that is recorded and you would be automatically taken up to the next question screen. डिफिकल्टी लेवल 2 आउट ऑफ 5 पर इस क्वेश्चन को मैं कैसे कन्वर्ट करूंगा? टॉप बार में आपका इंस्ट्रक्शन, 5 वर्ड्स फ्लोटिंग, एंड आई कैन गिव यू 4 ऑप्शन सेट ऑफ सीक्वेंस, एंड देन एनी वन यू नीड टू प्रेस. सो प्लीज try these kind of questions. At the end of the video, I'll give you few questions of these kind so that you can practice. Please practice these questions without looking at the options and then also with options. You never know what kind of interface you can find on an online test. We'll take up one more. Let us mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and try to identify what should be the logical pattern. So we have a doctor, fever, fee, medicine, healthy. डॉक्टर के पास क्यों जाएंगे हम? क्योंकि हमें फीवर है. Okay, if I choose 2 first, I have fever and then I visited my doctor. Doctor obviously will not ask me for the fees first. Normally hospital में जाएंगे तो फीस मांगते हैं, लेकिन doctor will offer me medicine first. Correct? Medicine के बाद I need to pay fees to the doctor and then finally patient may become healthy. I've used the word may in the story, but it should go like this. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. First comes fever, then go to doctor. Doctor gives medicine. Doctor takes fees, and finally the patient is healthy. Bingo! Your order, which you have punched in on your screen, is correct. Let's take one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buttons on your screen. Give a sequence of logical words with help of sequence of buttons. Your answer should be in which order you are supposed to press these buttons. Okay, if we try to identify the logic, state, Mohit, city is subset of state, district and a house. I think यहाँ लॉजिक एक पोस्टल एड्रेस का बन सकता है. हाउ डू वी राइट अ पोस्टल एड्रेस? अगर आपको किसी को एक लेटर भेजना है, एनवेलप पर आपने एड्रेस लिखना है, हाउ यू वुड बी राइटिंग द एड्रेस? First you will be writing the name of that person, state, and if it is international you may also add in country to it. Mohit Jain, house number like 47 something, NS Road, city Kolkata with pin, district is Kolkata, siding in West Bengal, country India. This is how we write a postal address, isn't it? So what will be the logical sequence? It has to be Mohit first, that is button number 2, then his house, button number 5, then the city, number 3, then the district, number 4, and finally the state, number 1. So logical pressing of buttons should be in this order: 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Let's take up one more. So type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buttons on the screen. Give me the logical set and the sequence of type in on buttons. Okay, so birth death. So obviously I will start with birth. अब मैं birth मतलब इंसान जमीन पर आ गए. 1, pressed 1. Logically it should be there. Then after birth to death नहीं होगा. Normally funeral, last, marriage, education. I think people should get educated first, isn't it? Yes. But in India, anything can happen. You can have your marriage before education, but we are going with the logical set. So after education, you may ask girl to get married with you or a boy to do that. Number 4, and then what next? It should be death first or funeral first. Obviously, you should die first to reach that F ground, and then 3, and that is the logical setup of each one of us life. So keep practicing these kind of questions. I am adding few questions to this video for you to practice. I'll see you soon. Thank you.